So hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change opacity in DaVinci Resolve 18. So to do this is pretty simple. So I have two clips and I want to show perhaps a background or opacity change right here. So all you have to do is grab your first clip, go to inspector, from there locate your composite from scrolling down. So here's opacity, and then just go ahead and 50% or 30%. So it's gonna do something like a background or flashback looking thing. So it's gonna look like this. As you can see, there's like a flashback or something that's going on in the background. So there you go, that is how you change your opacity right here in DaVinci Resolve 18. So just go to video, scroll down, composite, and you'll find it right there. So you can even change it lens correction, and if you want to you can mess around with lighting and stuff, but here's just a quick tutorial on how to do it. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.